Nadula Hair said they had something for us, and it was that new BlendAway Glueless HD lace. Now let's dig on in to this mammy tatin wig, okay? Because she is giving us something to talk about.
You and I know you about that life.
Back to my channel. I'm your girl Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm here with a banger from Nadula Hair. Well, we're manifesting that she is a banger. This is the new 7x5 bye knots wig, okay? Everybody got one. Everybody's saying bye knots. And Nadula Hair is also doing that as well. So let's get into this unit. This is the Nadula Hair 7x5 bye knots wig, okay? So I'm just going to put the tissue paper underneath so you guys can get a good look at the lace. But this is a 7x5 lace closure, getting to the parting space. She's pre-cut, plucked, as well as bleached for an easy breezy install, okay? I'm going out tonight. My husband and I are going to go see Wu-Tang, all right, at the Virgin. And I needed something easy that I can throw up on my head. This is not what I'm wearing. I promise you I'm coming harder than this. But I wanted to kind of like, you know, talk to y'all and chat with y'all before I get my shit together. You picking up what I'm gonna do? So this unit has no combs, no combs. She has an adjustable band, all right, as well as one comb in the back. And this latex band really just making it easier for it to lay up against the nape of your neck, okay? So I have this unit in 24 inches. I'm gonna shut my mouth. I'm gonna throw her on. Let's see what she's working with. Okay, fresh out. She's very big head friendly. So I'm tightening her up. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Am I done? All right, I'm gonna play with her a little bit. We're gonna get into this and I'm gonna see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.
Okay, my loves, I am back with this unit from Nadula Hair. Let's dig on into the details of this unit. So this is a 7x5, 150% density BlendAway HD wig, okay? I do have this in a water wave, and she's currently going for just around at 24 inches, just around $230, okay? So I'm gonna make sure I leave everything in the description box below so you guys can, you know, check this unit out on Nadula.com. So this is a 7x5 lace closure with the BlendAway HD lace, 100% human hair, okay? Really soft to the touch, very easy to get together. I'm really impressed with what this unit is able to do. I am using very minimal products to get this together, one of which was my e.l.f. foundation, just to make sure I blend that lace in. And then to melt that lace away, I'm using my Bold Hold Lace Jelly, not to glue the wig down, but really to make sure that the lace is actually like seeping into my skin, okay? Because this unit is so beautiful, I'm not going to do too much to her. I think she is doing enough. Mother did the work, okay? So I'm just gonna put my lace band on and lay this mother jumper down, and we're gonna get this unit together. Now, when you see me actually manipulate the curls, I am only using water. I have not used any mousse or anything to maintain it. I'm just going through, wetting this unit down so you guys can see the difference between the dry curls, okay? As well as the curls that are nice and juicy. The lace on this unit is stank, nasty, rare and red to go. That BlendAway HD lace, I would love to try this in a different curl pattern because she is really impressive. Now I'm gonna shut my mammy tat mouth and I'm gonna see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.
Okay, let's talk about it. I'm coming through with this unit from Nadula Hair. I have no notes. Now look at this lace. Look at this. I actually factually have no notes. The texture of the hair is really, really beautiful. You guys know how I feel when there's no combs on the sides. I think that even if it's a glueless wig, to kind of sell it better, you should have that. However, this feels very snug on my head. I did have to pull the adjustable band all the way to the other side. But to me, that was like, that's small stuff. You know what I mean? I love this wig. I'm not doing nothing else to her because, honestly, I want this to dry. I don't normally, y'all know how I feel about big hair. But my husband loves when I wear big hair, so I'm just going to wear big hair tonight and not going to bitch and moan about it. So let me say it like this. Nadula hair and I are falling in love with one another again, okay? They like my on and off again, you know, ex. High key, they basically Joe Connor. Because he my on and off again too. Okay, well, he my on, but he was my on and off again. And what I'm getting at is that this unit is beautiful. Like, I'm a little bit taken aback with how stunning she is. The texture of the hair is beautiful. She's very lightweight, baby. Very lightweight. And for under $250 for 24 inches, nasty. Stank, nasty, disgusting Nadula hair. Okay, not only that, the packaging. So the way this came, look at this. Now, Nadula. Yo, okay, we branded them down to the socks. It came with this, also a wig bag, which for some odd reason, I took the wig out of the wig bag and now I can't find the wig bag, which is fascinating. But this unit is actually stunning. I really don't have any notes, guys. I think this is a really beautiful unit. I think that if you're looking for something that is easy, okay, because that's really the selling point of this unit. It's the ease. It's the 7x5 closure that to me is just giving throw her on and go. This is a true throw her on and go wig. And let me tell you something. Now that I figured this out, at first I did not like this. It left a white cast and I'm like, something is wrong here. But now that I figured this the hell out, I see you, Bohold. I see you. And I didn't glue this down. This is not glued down. Oh, well, maybe this is not glued down. She's just held down, okay? For a seamless install. Nasty, stink, nasty, disgusting. I don't have anything else to say. I have to get ready to go out. Period. I'm going to wear my hair like this. Better earrings. I'm not doing anything else to this wig. Part of me thought I wanted to wear it on the side, though. Oh, yeah. Okay. Maybe I'll wear it to the side. Maybe I'll wear it to the side. Yeah, because my husband does like that. Do y'all hear him playing the drums downstairs, y'all? But that's the versatility of a 7x5, y'all. You can be whoever you want to be. I think I want to be her. I think I want to be a bitch who wears her hair to the side tonight, okay? But see how being a housewife, the only thing I'm worried about is whether or not I'm wearing my hair to the side or in the middle, chip. And I love that for me. For me. So I don't have nothing else to say. This unit is beautiful. The texture of this hair is stunning. She is stank, nasty, rare, and ready to go. And I mean ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to show my Mimi tap mouth. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Let me know what you think about these bye-bye knot wigs. It's giving just that. Out the mother... Scalp! Jesus Christ. I love y'all all, okay? Thank y'all so much for joining me again, and I'll see you on the other side.